For exercise 1, for each of the following instruction, identify the addressing mode used. For number 1, the addressing mode used was register addressing because both operands are registered. For number 2, it is direct addressing because the operand 1234H is a memory address directly specified. For number 3, it was indirect addressing because the memory address is indirect specified through the SI register. For number 4, it is base index addressing because the effective address is calculated using the sum of BP and DI. For number 5, it is base index with displacement addressing because the effective address is calculated using BX, SI, and A displacement. For 6, it is index addressing because the effective address is determined by the DI register. For 7, it is based with displacement addressing because the effective address is calculated using BP and A displacement. And for number 8, it was immediate addressing because the constant value 5678H is directly provided in the instruction. And lastly, for number 9, it was register indirect addressing because the effective address is determined by the BX registered. For exercise 2, write the code for specific addressing mode. For 1, immediate addressing, it is MOVAX 55AAH because star value 0x55AA into the AX register. For number 2, register addressing, it's MOVAX BX because it copy the content of BX into AX. For number 3, direct addressing, it's MOVAX 1234H because it moved the value stored at the memory location 1234H into AX. And for register indirect addressing, it's MOVAX SI because access the memory location point 2 by SI and store its value in AX. For number 5, index addressing, MOVAL DI plus 10H because retrieve a value from the memory address pointed by the sum of DI and displacement of 10H and store in AL. For number 6, base index addressing, it's MOVAX BX plus SI because access memory using the sum of BX and SI and move the value into AX. For exercise 3, addressing calculation. For number 1, compute the physical address for the instruction MOVAX 1000H indirect addressing mode. The given was base address 1000H, segment address 2000H, displacement is 0010H. The formula used in this problem was physical address is equal to segment address times 16 plus effective address. So it is equal to 2000H times 16 plus 1000H. So the answer will be 21,000H. For the number 2, base index addressing mode, the given was BX is equal to 1234H, SI is equal to 4321H, displacement is equal to 10H, and the segment address is 2000H. The formula used is Bx plus Si plus displacement. It is equal to 1234H plus 4321H plus 10H is equal to 5565H. So the physical address is 25565H because we use the effective address to the formula given for the physical address, that is segment address times 16 plus effective address. For exercise 4, debug and analyze. For number 1, identify the addressing mode used in each instruction. For MOVAX-SI, the addressing mode registered indirect addressing because the effective address is taken from the value in the SI register. Next was MOVSI 2000H. The addressing mode is immediate addressing because the immediate value 2000H is moved into the SI registered. Next was ADDAX SI plus 10H. The addressing mode is index addressing because the effective address is computed as the value in SI plus the displacement 10H. And the lastly, MOVDIAX, the addressing mode register indirect addressing using DI because the value in AX is stored at the memory location point to DI. For number 2, if the value at memory location is 2000H, is 1234H, and at 2000H plus 10H is 5678H, what will be the final value of AX? For MOVAX-SI, since hasn't been initiated yet, the content of AX depends on the initial value of SI, which is undefined at this point. For MOVSI 1000H, the SI is set to 2000H. For ADDAX SI plus 10H, AX is added to the value at memory location 2000 plus 10H, which is 5678H. Initially, AX is equal to 1234H from memory at 2000H after instruction 1. Added AX is equal to 1234H plus 5678H is equal to 68ACH. And lastly, MOVDIAX, the final value of AX 68ACH is stored at the memory location point to DI. So the final value for AX is 68ACH. For exercise 5, practice problem. This is the complete 8086 assembly program. For the explanation, the step 1 is immediate addressing is used to load 0x ABCD into AX, and the value is stored at memory location 3000H using direct addressing mode. Next was direct addressing mode is used to retrieve the value from memory location 3000H and load it into AX. And register addressing mode is used to copy the value of AX to BX. Then register indirect addressing mode is used to store the value in BX at the memory location point 2 by DI, which is set to 4000H.